Washing a cat is easy. Blowing the cat is a big fight. These annoying cat hair. You need this. You just need to put the cat in. Select smart door opening and choose the mode you need. Then just play with your phone on the side. Easy. Warm air will come out from the bottom to dry your pet's fur. This hair is so comfortable to touch. Automatic hair collection. Hair is super easy to clean. Has AC experience officer activities. Get the coupon straight down $158. The final price $251.